Welcome to the world of business planning, a critical step in launching or growing a successful venture. You might be wondering, what exactly is a business plan? Simply put, it's a comprehensive document that outlines your business goals, strategies for achieving them, potential problems that might confront your business and ways to solve them. It serves as a roadmap, guiding you through each stage of starting and managing your business. Now, why is it so important? Well, a well-thought-out business plan is crucial for many reasons. It helps you secure funding from investors, it guides your decision-making process, and it helps you identify potential pitfalls before they happen. Beyond that, it gives your business direction, defines your objectives, maps out strategies to achieve your goals, and helps you to manage possible bumps in the road. So, to ensure your venture thrives, a detailed business plan is a must. Now, let's dive into the first building block, the executive summary. This section is like the trailer of your business plan. It has to be compelling enough to spark interest and make your audience want to know more. Think of it as your business plan's elevator pitch. So what should it include? Well, the executive summary should provide a brief overview of your business idea, your business model, the market you're targeting, your unique selling proposition, and a snapshot of your financial projections. It's a condensed version of your entire business plan, capturing the essence of what your business is and where you see it going. But remember, brevity is key. Aim for 1 to 2 pages max, and make sure it's easy to understand. Avoid jargon and keep your language clear and concise. And here's a tip. Write your executive summary last. This way, you'll have a clear understanding of your plan, making it easier to summarize. Remember, a good executive summary can draw in potential investors and partners. Next, we move on to the company description. This is the heart of your business plan. It's where you chart the soul of your venture, letting the world know what you're all about. Start with an overview of your business. What does it do? How does it do it? What makes it unique? From there, we move on to the mission and vision statements. These are your North Stars, guiding your business through the stormy seas of the market. They should be clear, concise, and inspiring, encapsulating not just what you do, but why you do it. Next, we delve into your core values and objectives. These are the bedrocks upon which your business stands, the principles that guide your every decision. They set the tone for your company culture and give your team a shared purpose to rally around. Your company description gives readers a clear understanding of what your business stands for. Understanding your market is crucial. This is where market analysis comes in. This isn't just about knowing what you're selling, but understanding the industry you're stepping into. It's about recognizing the trends, the ebb and flow of the marketplace, and how your business fits into that dynamic landscape. Now let's picture a surfer. They don't just dive into the water without understanding the waves, right? Similarly, conducting a market analysis helps you identify the waves in your industry, the trends and dynamics that shape the market. It helps you stay ahead of the curve, rather than just riding along. Next, we have target market identification. Who's going to buy your product or service? Understanding your potential customers, their needs, and how your product fulfills those needs is like finding the perfect wave to ride. And finally, competitor analysis. You're not alone in the water. Knowing who you're up against, their strengths and weaknesses is key to outpacing them. A thorough market analysis shows you know your industry and can compete effectively. Now on to the structure of your business, organization and management. This crucial section of your business plan paints a clear picture of the team that will bring your business vision to life. It's all about outlining your organizational structure. Are you a sole proprietor, or are you operating a multi-tiered corporation with a board of directors? Each structure has its own strengths and considerations. Next, let's talk about your management team profiles. Who are the captains steering your ship? Highlight their skills, experience, and how their unique capabilities will contribute to the success of your business. If you've got a superstar in your ranks, this is the time to let them shine. Then, clarify the roles and responsibilities within your team. This clarity ensures everyone knows their role, fostering efficiency and preventing confusion down the line. A strong organization and management section demonstrates you have the team to execute your business vision. What are you offering to the market? This is what the products and services section is all about. In this segment, we delve into the essence of your business, your products or services. It's not just about stating what you sell or provide. It's about painting a vivid picture that makes your offerings come alive in the reader's mind. So don't just describe your products or services, tell a story. Show how they solve a problem or fill a need in the market. But it doesn't end there. you need to highlight your unique selling proposition, or USP. This is what sets your product or service apart from the competition. Maybe it's your innovative approach, superior quality, or unbeatable customer service. Whatever it is, make it compelling. And if applicable, discuss the product life cycle. Where is your product in its lifespan? Is it in the introduction phase, growth, maturity, or decline? This information can provide invaluable insights into your business strategy. Your products and services section should convince readers your offerings are worth investing in. A great product needs an equally great marketing and sales strategy. In the world of business, it's not enough to just have a fantastic product or service. You need a well-thought-out marketing plan that will put your product in front of the people who need it most, your target market. This involves using different marketing channels like social media, email, and traditional advertising to reach your audience. But it doesn't stop there. You also need an effective sales strategy. This includes a detailed plan of action on how to engage potential customers, close deals, and maintain customer relationships. Now let's talk about pricing. The right pricing strategy is crucial to your business's profitability. It's a delicate balance between pricing competitively and ensuring profitability. Finally, consider your distribution channels. How will your product reach your customers? Will you leverage e-commerce platforms or physical retail outlets, or perhaps a combination of both? A solid marketing and sales strategy shows you know how to reach and sell to your target market. Next up is the funding request section. Here's where you'll outline your financial needs. It's all about being realistic and precise. You've got to know the exact amount of funding you need to get your business off the ground or to the next level. This includes everything from operational costs to marketing expenses, and don't forget to account for unforeseen circumstances. Now, let's break down those funding needs. What will the funds be used for? Maybe it's for product development, perhaps it's to hire additional staff, or it might be to expand into new markets. Whatever it is, make it clear and make it count. Finally, let's talk about potential sources of funding. You might be looking at traditional bank loans, angel investors, venture capitalists, or even crowdfunding. Each source has its own pros and cons, so weigh them carefully. Your funding request should clearly state how much money you need and how you plan to use it. Now, let's talk about money, specifically your financial projections. This part of your business plan is like your business's crystal ball, showing you and potential investors what lies ahead. First up, revenue forecasts. Look into the future and predict your sales. This isn't a wild guess, but an educated estimate based on market trends, your target audience, and your business model. Next, expense projections. How much will it cost to run your business? Consider everything from raw materials and labor to marketing and administrative costs. Then there's the cash flow statement. This important document shows where your money is coming from and where it's going. It's a snapshot of your business's financial health at any given time. Lastly, the break-even analysis. This tells you when your revenue will equal your costs. It's the moment when your business stops costing you money and starts making it. Solid financial projections can help convince investors your business is a sound investment. The appendix is where you'll include additional supporting documents. This section is like the backstage of your business plan, showcasing all the hard work that goes into making your venture a success. It's a repository for various types of critical documents that provide a deeper understanding of your business. Perhaps you have resumes that highlight the experience and expertise of your team members, solidifying the credibility of your organization. Legal documents too might find a home here, offering proof of your business's legitimacy, whether it's registration certificates, licenses, or patents. Contracts also play a vital role. This could include supplier agreements, customer contracts, or even letters of intent. These contribute to a comprehensive picture of your business relationships and potential revenue streams. Essentially, the appendix is the evidence room of your business plan. It's where you substantiate the claims you've made in your plan with tangible proof. The appendix provides the backup for the claims you've made throughout your business plan. Every business has risks. The key is to identify and plan for them. Now, the art of risk assessment isn't about paranoia or pessimism, it's about being prepared, about having the foresight to tackle bumps on the road to success. First up, identifying potential risks. This could be anything from competitive threats to market fluctuations or operational hiccups. It's about asking the tough questions like, what if our main supplier goes out of business, or what if a new regulation impacts our operations? Next, we have risk mitigation strategies. These are your safeguards, your protective measures. For instance, you might diversify your supplier base or invest in compliance training to reduce regulatory risks. And finally, contingency plans. These are your backup plans, your plan Bs. They provide a clear course of action when things don't go as expected. It's like having a safety net, ensuring your business can bounce back from any setback. Risk assessment shows you're prepared for potential challenges and can handle them effectively. Finally, we reach the conclusion of your business plan. This is where we tie everything together, summarizing the key points we've journeyed through in this video. We began with the introduction to business planning, underscoring the importance of a well-thought-out plan. It's the blueprint of your business, the roadmap that guides your journey to success. Then, we dived into the executive summary, that compelling snapshot of your business that grabs attention and sparks interest. It's the elevator pitch that needs to be as sharp as a well-tailored suit. We delved into the company description, where we painted a vivid picture of your business, its mission, vision, core values, and objectives. This is the heart of your enterprise, pulsating with your passion and purpose. Our exploration of market analysis taught us the importance of understanding our industry, identifying our target market, and analyzing the competition. It's about knowing the terrain and the players in the game. In the organization and management section, we built the framework of your business, defining roles and responsibilities. This is the skeleton that supports your business, ensuring it stands tall and strong. We then moved on to your products and services, describing what you offer and your unique selling proposition. It's the meat on the bones, giving substance to your business. Next, we strategized your marketing and sales, detailing your plan to attract customers and secure sales. It's the fuel that drives your business engine. We discussed your funding request, outlining your financial requirements and potential sources. It's the lifeblood that keeps your business alive and thriving. The financial projections section allowed us to forecast your revenue and expenses. It's the crystal ball that provides a glimpse into your business's potential future. In the appendix, we compiled additional supporting documents. It's the extra ammunition that strengthens your business plan. Last but not least, we conducted a risk assessment, identifying potential threats and formulating mitigation strategies. It's the shield that protects your business from unforeseen challenges. In all these, we emphasize the importance of a well-structured business plan. It's not just a document, but a strategic tool that can make or break your business. With a solid business plan, you're well on your way to launching or growing a successful venture. So start your business planning process today.